The Aussie dollar was steady at 67.4 US cents. The local share market was also virtually unchanged, with falls by miners and banks offset by rises among energy and technology stocks. And the US market was unchanged as well on Friday, although there were some moves above 1% in Asia today. The markets are basically holding their breath ahead of two big events this week: the release of Australia's June quarter inflation data on Wednesday and the US Federal Reserve meeting on Wednesday night, our time. Another 0.25% rate hike by the Fed is now fully expected by the markets, which is a big change from mid-March after the Silicon Valley Bank and two others went broke, and nothing but rate hikes were expected. But it turned out that the rest of America's banks were fine, and it looks like they're back to hiking rates again. As for the Australian CPI, well, both the monthly and quarterly figures will be released on Wednesday morning, which is a little bit ridiculous. But the ABS is in a long transition towards having only monthly CPIs. For the moment, when there's both, just watch the quarterly one, because that's what the RBA watches. Here are the forecasts from the big four banks and the consensus of all economists. It's generally agreed that if it's above 1% for the quarter, there'll be another rate hike next month. If it's below 1%, there won't be. If it's exactly 1%, toss a coin. On commodity markets, iron ore, gold and copper fell, oil went up. And finally, here's a chart of the percentages of the Australian population living in each of the eastern states. If those trends continue, the population of Queensland passes New South Wales in 2072. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.